Are you facing problem in designing your own character? Are you unable to do your character perfectly? So in this video you will get all the information regarding how to draw your own character perfectly. So stay tuned. This is Rajesh and you are watching Rinku Art.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
So first we'll design the head portion and then the body and then the legs. So to design the head we need to do the construction, or without construction we can design our character, but later on we need to check our character's head with the construction. So first I'll design a face with construction. This is a circle and now the face. So this is the face I have designed, but now the main issue may arise here with the neck. So as you can see, this is the almost the profile, the side face, because the center line here, it is from here. So I'll draw the neck from here. Okay. So here I have designed the character with the neck, and now I will reduce the size of the face to bring the body. Okay, so here I'll design the body like this, and I will draw the center line of the body and the chest line, and I'll put the shoulder here and here. So it is looking somewhat okay, but still the face is looking little forward than the body. I have this confusion right now. Maybe after completing it may not look like that. So what I'll do it roughly. How? I'll reduce the size of the drawing and I'll complete it. Okay, so I'll complete this drawing roughly. Like this. So you can see that the face here is looking little forward as compared to the body. So what I'll do, I'll either cut the face and bring it backward like this, or I can cut the body and bring it forward. Okay, in this case I need to fix the neck with the body. So I will erase this and I'll bring the neck like this. So now it is looking a little better than before. So I am doing a little detailing so that you can understand properly. So that's it, and my character is ready. These are roughs. You can do very well the remaining area where I have done the rough. So this is about like 3/4. If it is front or more towards the front 3/4, then I'm talking about this is near to profile or side face, but I am talking about 3/4 near to straight front pose. I'll draw it little cartoony. Okay. So here I have drawn a rough character. This face is towards front actually, but it is 3/4 because it is not exactly front. So these two are different. This is near to side, okay, this is near to front, Okay, so I hope you got my point. So in this case, you can see I have not given any guide to this character, like the circle and the shape on which I can draw this face. So this is okay if you have completed the face, and the next step is to draw the neck, but here in this case it is not visible, so you can make imaginary neck. Okay, and you can continue. The most important thing in your drawing to make it balance is the center line. Here the center line, in this case I am talking about this, the first one, the center line here, it is going here up to chin and again to the neck and the chest line, so it is balanced. But before, when I did the face forward, it was not balanced. And here also the face center line from here to here, and again it will go to the neck and then the chest, stomach, and up to here, it is also balanced. Okay, so I need to check how to draw the hands. So this is also balanced one. Every time you need to check whether your body is balanced with the head or not. In some cases it happens like you will draw your character like this and you will put your body over here like this. Actually it is also okay. So likewise you need to check your character. The shoulder is also an important part. Like if you are drawing a character here, I'll draw some construction. Okay, and neck maybe here, and the body is like this if it is 3/4, and the pelvis. So this is the character here, and I'll explain you with 3/4. This body you need to take it as a rectangle, and this is if it is turning like this. Okay, then the neck will also turn maybe like this. You need to check that the chest line here will be this line, and from here it should go like this. Okay, so here I have observed that this is the problem you are facing with the head and the chest. So if the body is here and the face, you need to check the neck should go up to the here only. So please check with the head and body. If the head is going little further, this is also okay, but you need to draw and see whether this character is looking balanced or not. So I'll hide this. So here I'll design another character and I'll show you how to see whether your character is perfect or not. Okay, so first you will do the face maybe like this. And now the body, I'll reduce the size. Okay, with that you'll see the body and the legs like this. So this is rough, but still you can see that this character is already done and the character is in balance. Okay, so this is the rough. I have shown it to you. If you want to rectify it, just rectify with this leg. I'll rectify it, otherwise it will not look the way I want to be. Okay, so this is the body and this is the legs, and this one is balanced. You can see center of gravity is here in the middle, and the shoulder is also here, it is more, and here there is no shoulder, very less shoulder. So this area is looking towards, this area is towards the screen, or you can say the camera, so this will look more than that area. That means the construction, if I'll say this area is more, okay, this area I'm talking about, than that. So the shoulder will be up to here. There is very less space to do the shoulder over that side. So likewise you need to draw and see the body with the head and legs, whether that character is looking appropriate, balanced or not. So first thing first, you need to see the head with proper construction at the beginning. Later on, when you will draw more drawings, more character designing, it will automatically come into your drawing. Second, the neck, okay. Third, the body. Fourth, the legs. And fifth, the center of gravity. Head means you need to do the construction, means this, the center line, the eye line, that you need to put, okay. Second thing, neck. Neck means it should come between the head and the body in the proper balanced form, means proper balanced position. It should not be away from the body, or it should not be away from the head. Check it properly. Actually, neck is a chapter. I should do a video on it so that you will be clear, like it should be small or it should be broader. That I need to tell you in some videos. I think I have uploaded one video. I'll put the link in this video. You can go and watch that video, or next I will upload another video on this topic as well, okay. So the third point is the body. You need to check the chest line and the center line of the body with the face. Then legs also balance the body, so it should be in proper position. And lastly, center of gravity. Check the character from top to bottom whether the center of the gravity is coming in the middle of the character or not, otherwise it will not get balance. So this you need to check, the center of gravity. If a character you are drawing like this, then the center of gravity will be here, so it will fall. So that you need to check. If suppose the head is big, okay, like this, and you are drawing a character like this, then the center of gravity will be here and the body will fall down. So that is an example for you, and this is, I know, a very small example, but this will clear your doubts, okay. So center of gravity, I have given two examples, this and this. And legs means you need to see the legs where to place so that the character will look good. For example, I'll show you one example. Suppose a character I'll draw. The legs here, okay. If I'll draw like this, see, the legs are not appropriate with this character. If you will draw straight, then it is okay. It is somewhat coming into center of gravity. The body will fall down, okay. So if suppose I am drawing another character, so here as you can see, the body and hands are looking good, but in case of legs, they are not placed in the proper position. What this means, if this is the center line of the character and this is the center line of the body, then the center of gravity, it should lies over somewhere here, okay. So you can see both the legs, like this area is more than this. If I will erase this, first I need to see the center of gravity. The center of gravity point is here. I can place the legs over here, it will look nice. Okay, or else I can do here. See, got my point? Legs should be placed in proper position. That is also an important point. So here the legs example also I gave you. Body, I already told you that the body should have the chest line and the center line. I'll show you that as well. Here I'll delete the two characters, and if I'll draw a character over here, suppose I am drawing a character like this, and I'll draw it somewhat like this. Okay, so what I want to explain you, just try to understand. Okay, so here the face is turning this side, and your intention is to turn the body also this side, but here in this case the chest line is going like this. Okay, so you need to make up your mind, you need to be clear in your mind that if the face is turning towards right or left or somewhere, then the body is also turning to the same direction, or not. That you need to be clear in your mind before drawing your character. If suppose you are drawing this character like this, and the body is looking like this, which you can easily observe, then you need to do the correction here itself. See, the face is turning to the right hand side, so the body will also, see the neck of the t-shirt. Okay, see, so the face is turning to the right hand side, the body is also turning to the right hand side, but here the center of gravity is here, so this you can see or fix it. So that is the point here. If the body you are drawing, you need to be clear which side the body is turning, and check the neck of the dress what you are drawing, is that line of the center line is turning to that side or not. Okay, so make it clear before drawing your character. And about neck, I was talking about this. I have fixed this head by bringing the head to backward. Okay, likewise. So I have explained you almost everything. So next time when you will draw your character, just keep in mind all these 5 points and check your character whether these 5 points are there in your character or not. I hope it will help you a lot. And other than this, if you have any other doubts, then please write it down in my comment box, or you can send me your question to my Instagram. I'll surely answer your questions and clear your doubts. And please send me your drawings as well if you want me to do the corrections on. So thanks for watching this video. So if you like this video, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. And if you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel with the bell icon hitting to all. So take care and bye bye.